Hey June, how are you? Wishing you a very happy birthday. The only thing I remember the first time when we have met in Vrindavan and when you had those 6-7 large shots which was made by Guttu. So from that day I'm a big fan of yours and your drinking. So here's to you. Wishing you again a very happy birthday. God bless. Have a great year.
আমার বিয়ের সময় প্রথম তোমাকে দেখেছিলাম, তারপরে তো তুমি আমাকে বড় বড় চোখ করে দেখতে, তারপরে বউ ভাতের দিনও মানে অত পাত্তা দাওনি, তখন হার্ডলি মানে জাস্ট 1 বছর হয়েছে। তারপরে আমরা অপেক্ষা করতাম কখন তুমি সকালবেলায় উঠবে, মানে একটা বান্ডেল অফ সুগার ছিলে। সকালবেলা উঠেই হাসি দিতে একগাল আমি, শারু, বাবু, তোমার বাচ্চু মামু, আমরা সবাই অপেক্ষা করতাম তোমায় দেখার জন্য সকালবেলা, তোমার হাসি মুখটা।
হ্যালো, আচ্ছা শোন, তোর সাথে যখনই আমার দেখা হয় কিছু না কিছু তো ফানি ঘটনা হবেই হবে, দেখা হওয়া মানেই তাই। তা লাস্ট যেটা সবচেয়ে মনে পড়ছে, যেটা কাছের, তুই আর আমি ফিরছিলাম বাটানগর থেকে। ইয়েস, তা রোড সেন্স তো আমার খুব ভালো, জানিস তুই সেটা। গাড়িতে তুই চালাচ্ছিস, আমি পাশে বসে আছি। যখন গেছি সকালবেলা তখন তো কখন ডান দিক কখন বাঁ দিক আমি সব চিনি। এবার সূর্য সানসেটের পর তুই জানিস আমি একটু রাতকানা। তা যাই হোক, ফিরছি, সন্ধে হয়ে এসছে। তা এবার যখনই কোনো ক্রসিং আসে তার 10-15 মিনিট আগের থেকেই তুই জিজ্ঞেস করতে শুরু করে দিস, বল 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 ডান দিক যাবো না বাঁ দিক, ডান দিক না বাঁ দিক। তা এবারও সেই জিনিস করছিস। তা এবার আমি বললাম চল ডান দিক নে, ডান দিক। এবার ডান দিক দিয়ে নিলাম। কোথায় মনে পড়ে? ওই জুয়ের পাশ দিয়ে গিয়ে এবার কোথায়, এবার কোন দিকে? এবার বাঁ দিক বাঁ দিক বাঁ দিক বাঁ দিক করে দুজনে বেরিয়ে চলে গেলাম স্ট্রেট। আবার একটা মোড় এসছে, ওখানে এবার তাড়াতাড়ি বল কোন দিকে যাবো, কোন দিকে যাবো, কোন দিকে, ডান দিক না বাঁ দিক? বাঁ দিক বাঁ দিক। তুইও ঘুরিয়ে নিলি স্মার্টলি, বাঁ দিক দিয়ে ঘুরে আবার গোল করে ওই একই জায়গায় এসে পৌঁছলাম। তুই বললি আচ্ছা শোন, জায়গাটা চেনা চেনা লাগছে, এখান দিয়ে কি আমরা গেলাম? মনে হচ্ছে গেলাম না, এখান দিয়েই আমরা গেলাম। বলে এ বাবা, শিগগিরই চল বলে আবার করে এবার কোন দিকে? ডান দিক ডান দিক ডান দিক ডান দিক নেই, ডান দিক, তুইও যাচ্ছিস ডান দিক। এবার বাদিকে ঘুরে আবার গোল করে ওই একই রাস্তা দিয়ে। তখন তো প্রচণ্ড ভয় লেগে গেল, মনে হলো না পুলিশ তো দেখছে, চারিদিকে ক্যামেরা, ছোট্ট একটা লাল গাড়ি, পেছনে লেখা নেভি, 2 মহিলা বসে আছে, একজন একটু এগিয়ে এইভাবে গাড়ি চালাচ্ছে, আর একজনের চশমা আছে কিন্তু চশমা মাথার ওপর। একই জায়গা দিয়ে ওনারা ঘুরছেন বারবার করে, ওনারা টেরোরিস্ট নয় তো? যে কোনোভাবে হোক, যেহেতু আমরা বাদিকে বারবার গেছি, এবার আমি বললাম ডান দিক ডান দিক ডান দিক ডান দিক ডান দিক দিয়ে সোজা। হ্যাঁ, এজেসি রোড এসে গেছে, ফ্লাইওভার নিয়ে স্ট্রেট একদম ঠিক যাচ্ছি। এবার যেতে এবার 2 রাস্তা ভাগ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। এই কোনটাতে যাবো, ডান দিকেরটাতে যেন বাঁ দিকে? আমি চল বাঁ দিকে, এদিকটা তো সল্টলেক হচ্ছে, এদিকে গড়িয়া ওই সব দিক চলে আসছে, একদম স্ট্রেট বাঁ দিক। স্ট্রেট বাঁ দিক দিয়ে ফ্লাইওভারের মধ্যে দিয়ে একদম সোজা যাব। আইটিসির পরেই যে ব্রিজটা নামছে, ওখানে গিয়ে আমরা বাইপাসে পড়বো সল্টলেক। করে গিয়ে সোজা কোথায় গিয়ে দামলাম আমরা? পার্ক সার্কাসের মোড়।
মনে পড়ে সেই দিনগুলো যখন তুমি অ্যারাইভ করলে। আমরা অপেক্ষা করছিলাম, somebody was supposed to come, some doll, we don't know who. তো তারপরে তুমি ল্যান্ড করলে আমাদের বাড়িতে, ছোট্ট একটা, সে কি সাংঘাতিক সময় সেটা, ওরে বাপ রে বাপ। তারপরে আস্তে আস্তে একটু বড় হলে এসে সব ওইগুলো মনে পড়ে, তখন আমাদের ঘরে তুমি চলে আসতে, তখন অনুমা এসে গেছে। তা তুমি সকালবেলা ঘরে এসে দরজা ঠেলে ঢুকে আমি এতে গেতি বলে এসে ঢুকতে।
And then once you got married, once you became our Bahurani, as in you got married to my brother, then of course our interactions became much more, and I came to discover you as a person, and I sort of realized that we have a lot of common elements. One of those is both of us like to write. At least I used to like to write a lot. Now, of course, maybe not that much. And both of us do believe in a superior power. You, of course, are a poster child for everything spiritual and positive and beautiful. But I am also a big believer in those things. So that's another thing that resonates with you. And another aspect of you that I have come to learn and admire hugely is your love for animals, your love for those who cannot speak for themselves, for the puppies, for the squirrels, for the cats. I mean, what have you? This is so beautiful. This is something I really, really adore and admire about you.
হ্যালো, হ্যাপি বার্থডে, জন্মদিনের অনেক 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 শুভেচ্ছা। আসছে বছর ভালো কাটুক। সরি, আমি খুব কষ্ট করে বাংলা বলছি, বাট বেসিক্যালি হ্যাভ আ গ্রেট বার্থডে, হ্যাভ আ গ্রেট আপকামিং ইয়ার, অ্যান্ড আই এম সো ব্লেসড টু হ্যাভ ইউ ইন মাই লাইফ। কি আর বলবো, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর এভরিথিং দ্যাট ইউ ডু ফর মি, অ্যান্ড yeah.
Hi June, wishing you a very happy birthday. Jab we met Simba, and who is responsible? Som and you. Thank you for really bringing this little bundle of joy into our lives. I'll forever be grateful to both of you. And let's hope to meet soon. Have a wonderful year and a birthday.
Hi Jundi, this is a short video for your happy birthday, and I can't even put a finger to when we had become really close. I think it was somewhere during my school days. You've really been a very important person in my life. You've shaped how I am today. Thank you for letting me love myself, making me believe in myself. I remember when you said to keep telling myself मैं अपनी favorite हूँ, and you told me that you see me, you see Geet, you see Kareena Kapoor's Geet character in me. So thank you so much, love you so much, and happy birthday. See you very soon. Mwah mwah. And Simba also wishes you a very happy birthday. Come meet us soon. All those lickies are for you.
এইবার যখন আমাদের দেখা হলো জব্বলপুরে জানুয়ারি 2021-এ, তখন আমাদের খুব একটা বড় টাইম একসঙ্গে স্পেন্ড করা হলো। আর আমি দেখলাম যে আমার মানে যে তোমার জন্য যে ইমপ্রেশনটা এলো, দেখলাম তুমি খুবই অ্যাডজাস্টেবল, সুইট আর ভালো মেয়ে, আর কোনো ফাঁস নেই, ন্যাকা কম আর কি।
Your and my first bond of sisterhood actually started when you were not in Calcutta and I was here in Calcutta, you were in Delhi, and I used to message you a lot, and we started talking a lot about my personal things, about your personal things. I used to tell you about all my problems, and you were always there to help me out. And I love the kind of sister that you are. You've always been there for me, and irrespective of the fact that I'm not a very expressive person, I remember if I had to message you, I had to just send you a full stop, and you would know that okay, she needs to talk to me, and you would revert. So I think no one else understands me the way you do. Just stay the way you are. I love you. Happy birthday.
বাকি আবার যখন দেখা হবে অনেক কথা হবে, আর আমি ওয়েট করছি কবে তোমাদের সঙ্গে দেখা হয়। Once again, happy birthday, stay blessed, and this is a flower for you from me to you.
Happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, Junie.
Hi Ranjini, it is your birthday today. Unfortunately, we can't be together to celebrate your birthday.
Hi June, happy birthday. Hi Ranjini, happy birthday. Loved you since the day I set my eyes on you, literally. The first day I saw you, 2 piggy tails in the school bus, that is the day.
In school, that you were that mysterious, very interesting, wise girl emanating wisdom through her eyes, very deep eyes.
You know, never been very expressive. But yes, I love you. I really love you.
June, you popped in one day where I was having my B.Ed exam. Oh, I will never forget that day. You told me, chol, amar bari chol, sara raat porbo ajke. And you took me to your home, and then we studied the entire night. You gave me the last moment tips, and now how I managed to cope up, and I think I got the highest in that subject. Oh, brilliant teacher, I must say.
For me, you are an inspiration. For me, you are that person who shows how a woman can fiercely stand by a woman.
Remember the day when we went to Salt Lake? Me acting as June and testing Mr. Kuttu, whether he's the perfect guy for you or not. Oh, that was really hilarious.
And I've always been so possessive about you. It's been difficult to share you, with anyone.
And you're fun to be around with, and I love you to the moon and back. And
enjoy your day.
Anyways, wish you a very happy birthday, and wish all from the bottom of my heart that all your wishes and dreams come true.
Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, keep spreading the love that you always do.
Chalo, take care and have a great birthday. Bye.
पुराने दिन और जवानी के फुहार E2S23 and 238 मेरे यार वो पहुँचना कॉलेज हमेशा जल्दी वो कहना टीचर का ब्रेक टाइम मेरे यार वो पहुँचना कैंटीन और खाना समोसे you with me with chutney and you without वो पहुँचना AC मार्केट फोन बूथ पर लकी हुए तो शो में সঙ্গে কথা না হলে শাশুমার हेलो हेलो वो खुलना इमामी मार्केट का उस लेन में अब पहुँचना यतन का उस मॉल में बस यादें हाँ यादें रह जाती है छोटी छोटी मुलाकातें रह जाती है happiest day dear, another year older and you're more beautiful, more gorgeous than ever before. Love you loads, enjoy your day.
I was just, recalling the times when, we used to go to college together, and the days when, I would take you out to meet So, especially the one instance where, you went to the bar. I think we were at the Esplanade bus stop, and then we were coming back, and we left your Ray-Ban sunglass cover in the taxi, and we were like so upset that we left it there, and we were like, what do we do now about it, and all of that. Some good times, some wonderful memories, some great memories have been created with you. And then my skirt at your house, remember when I went to your house and I was like, oh my god, I have the same skirt that you do. And I mean, obviously you did because it was a school uniform skirt. But yeah, enjoy your day, have fun, bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Go Corona, go fast so that we can have a grand reunion.
We could relive together those moments again.
I remember meeting you in APJ hostel on the 6th floor, and then we were flatmates from there on.
Remember the time we used to come to your Sia Park house and eat food every day, which you couldn't cook, but you were so happy and so proud to serve us. Really enjoyed those days.
We had a lot of fun, our never-ending chit-chats, our late-night birthday parties.
Generally, in our daily schedule and this hectic life, we don't get time to talk to each other and interact. But I think birthdays are a day when we get a chance to talk to each other and wish each other.
Yeah, Randy, we spent such a lovely time together in the hostel. और हमारी हॉस्टल की सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टीज, हमारे रूम सजते थे एंड हमें उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं होता था. और लेट नाइट बर्थडे पार्टीज, फिर कल्पना आंटी का आना, हमारी पार्टीज बंद करा देना.
Remember those rickshaw rides? Oh, what fun we had.
Then your GAN sessions, late night GAN session, those were really something.
This opportunity I didn't want to miss to wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great year.
This is from all of us on your birthday, and just stay blessed and keep smiling and keep rocking. Have a wonderful birthday. Since you are celebrating your birthday in lockdown, so I'm sending you a video across, so have fun.
Hi Corona, एडिट वायरस क्यों आ तू? 2020 तो पूरा खराब करता दुनिया ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਲਵਾਤੇ. ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਤੂੰ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਆ, ਮਤਲਬ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ 2021 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਨਵਾਂ ਵੇਰੀਐਂਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ. ਲਓ ਜੀ, ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਛੇਤੀ ਫੈਲੂੰਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਮਤਲਬ ਐਡਾ ਬਦਤਮੀਜ਼ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ. ਆਈ ਡੋਨਟ ਥਿੰਕ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ. ਤੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਈ. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੀ. ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਘਰੇ ਹੁਣ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ. ਇਵੈਂਟ ਕੈਂਸਲ ਕਰਨੇ ਪੈ ਰਹੇ ਆ. ਸ਼ਰਮ ਕਰ ਲਾ ਕਰੋਨਾ. ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਘਰੇ ਬੈਠ ਗਏ, ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਖਰਾਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ. ਤੂੰ ਅੱਗ ਲੱਗ ਜੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ, ਤੇਰਾ ਬੇੜਾ ਬਹਿ ਜੇ.
This is for you.
Hi Ranjini, a very very happy birthday to you. A quick message on the theme Jab We Met. So for me, my experience with you on the first time that we met, or every time that we met, Jab We Met, it has been explosive. It has been explosive. It has been fireworks, firecrackers. So some firecrackers are good, fun, and some a little dangerous. So I know what we mean. But frankly, if I think in the last 20 years, whatever, every moment, every memory that I hold for you is fun, is warm, and continues to give me a smile even in the darkest of days. And whether we meet each other on a regular basis or we do not, or we talk even after months, we know that we can go back to the same memories at any point in time. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday, and here's hoping that you stay well, in good health, always be loved and surrounded by your loved ones, and hope we maintain this firework all through our life. Happy birthday.
Hi Ranjini, sending the loveliest birthday wishes to the loveliest person. Hope you have a super duper wonderful day. Wishing you success, good health and happiness always. Love you.
Hi Ranjini, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm not sure if you recognize me, but I hope you do. So here I am, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with the best of everything that you desire in your life. I truly believe that the statement bold and beautiful is absolutely apt for you, Ranjini. I think you're bold, you're out there, you never shy away from speaking the truth. Even on your Facebook, I've seen you raising concerns, and you're out there being bold. Also, I feel you're bold. It takes a lot of courage to chop your hair that short from the length that you had, and you carry it so well. So you're very bold. Beautiful. You're a beautiful person. For me, beauty comes when a person is truthful, trustworthy, helpful, and you have all these qualities. So you're a beautiful person in and out. You're a beautiful soul, and of course outside beauty, you're very beautiful. The big bindis that you carry and the beautiful saris, In fact, you carry yourself really well in whatever you wear. So I really admire you, and I think you have a very strong personality, and keep to it. Wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Lots of love. Have a great birthday.
तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ, अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा. रिमेंबर दिस सॉन्ग रंजनी? कितना पकाया हमने लोगों को एपीजे के बेसमेंट में गाना सुना सुना के. दैट इट्स नॉट फनी. इफ मर्डर वॉज नॉट अ क्राइम, आई एम श्योर किसी ना किसी ने तो हमें टपका दिया होता उसी समय. जहाँ मौका मिलता था चालू हो जाते थे. एंड देन केम रीमिक्स, the sexy remix with sexy girls in those skimpy clothes, and then we went underground. सब बर्बाद कर दिया उस गाने ने हमारे इस ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग को. एंड हमने उसके बाद वो गाना दोबारा एपीजे के बेसमेंट में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं गाया. I still remember those fun days in hostel and in the college. I still remember I met you on the campus on the day of a group discussion. It was an instant connection, magic, love at first sight. First blink and we just knew that we are going to be friends for lifetime, and rest is history. I think हमसे हमारे बैचमेट से ज़्यादा हमें हॉस्टल का गार्ड पहचानता था. फेस से नहीं, पर 6th फ्लोर पे रात के 2 बजे 2 लड़कियाँ ज़ोर ज़ोर से विचीला हा 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 हा. And that laughter continues. I mean, after 20 years also, I mean, we continue laughing like that. We carry on the legacy, and that's our language of communication. People around us are not able to decode or comprehend what we are talking because we talk in the language of ha 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 ha. Shom aaj tak decode nahi kar paya hai, but that's how we talk. On this special day, my darling, my partner in crime, my bestie, wishing you lots of love, happiness, and long life, and lots of hugs. See you soon and talk to you soon. Bye.
My love language is this. Suddenly, my guest appeared. Startled, my heart asked, "Who's there?" "The glorious moon," answered my soul. The guest was in the house, but we, like lunatics, were running in the streets searching for him. "I'm here," he kept calling from inside. While we, like doves, kept cooing, Where are you?" As when a crowd gathers in the night shouting, "Help, help, there's a thief." And the thief, who's among them, also keeps shouting, his cries mixed and drowned by the crowd. The saying, "He is with you," means in your search for him, he is with you. Closer to you than yourself, then why seek outside? Melt like snow, wash yourself from yourself, and let love grow in your soul, silent like the lily.
Happy birthday to you.
So, I remember the first time I saw you, of course, that new moon gathering. Many times after that, full moon drumming circles, new moon gathering, coming together as a part of this sisterhood. You know what? It's very difficult to express in words exactly as to how I feel about you or how much I want you, or the fact that you're one of the first people who comes to my mind when I'm troubled and also when I'm really happy. So I don't know, these videos, 1-minute conversations, going to you and hugging you, telling you, it'll never be enough expression to what I really feel and hold in my heart for you. A part of my world is just you, whether you know it or not. I just love you, Gigi, and happy birthday.
On this special day of yours, I can't help but remember how we had first connected with each other in 2012. It was December. Everybody was talking about the world coming to an end, and we had just found each other. Both of us had done our Joyous Woman that year.
काश हम लोग साथ में सेलिब्रेट कर पाते.
And we found out how you and I would always post something or comment under other people's posts around the same time, late in the night, after midnight, around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. And then we started chatting over Messenger, and from Messenger we moved to talking to each other over phone. And soon we discovered that we could go on talking and talking.
काश हम लोग साथ में होते.
Moving from personal issues to social issues to inner work to talking about just some movie star or someone or something and flow into something else. We would talk like reverse flow. And it was so nice, and we enjoyed it so much that we would forget that we would have to sleep and wake up the next day morning. And Suki was so scared of our chattings that she wouldn't allow us to share a room during retreats, because she had seen us sleepy in the next day and she wouldn't want that to happen. So we had to hide and meet each other, and that would actually add to the fun, to the thrill of meeting and talking and chatting till I think around 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and then catch up a quick sleep before the retreat would begin. Oh my god. In the initial years of our relationship, we kind of spoke endlessly. Probably to catch up for, the number of years we missed in this lifetime. Because I'm sure we have been together through several lifetimes. And remember how we met for the first time in person? It was Kumbh, and you had organized that Kumbh trip. And I was one of the participants, and I had come there and I was calling you, and you had come out with your phone, and you were standing on a slightly elevated ground, and you just slipped when you saw me. I can never forget that bonding over the fall thing that happened between us.
Hello.
हेलो जून. सबने बोला कि इस तरह से वीडियो बना के देना है, हॉरिजॉन्टल. समझ नहीं आ रहा वो ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हैं, पर जो भी है जून, आई जस्ट वांट टू से हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बेबी. अब I don't remember when I met you first. There was something that stirred in me. I don't think there is anything extraordinary that happened.
पिछली बार भी नहीं हुआ, इस बार भी नहीं. Yeah.
But I think मुझे शायद फर्स्ट टाइम देखा तो मैं लव हो गया. ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ था, कतई नहीं हुआ था. शुरू में मुझे लगा था कि ये लड़की तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बात करती है, बड़ी कॉन्शियस सबकॉन्शियस टाइप की बातें करती है, इससे तो मेरी दोस्ती ना हो पाएगी. तो मैंने तुम पे ज़्यादा तवज्जो नहीं दी थी, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. पर कुछ ऐसा हो गया था हमारी ज़िंदगी में कि एकदम से आ गया था आऊ. और आऊ के आते ही मुझे लगा ये बनेगी मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड तो मेरी ऑलरेडी एक है, पर तुम मेरी आऊ वाली फ्रेंड हो. और मेरे कैमरा में स्टोरेज की प्रॉब्लम है, मैं कुछ भी फ़ोटो और वीडियो नहीं क्लिक कर सकती हूँ. इसके लिए मैं अब हैप्पी बर्थडे कह के इसे समापन करना चाहूँगी और ये कहना चाहूँगी आई लव यू जून.
मैं तुमको देखती हूँ ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे जीती जागती देवी माँ इस दुनिया में मौजूद है, और अपने सारे ताकत के साथ, अपने सारे प्यार के साथ, अपने सारे गुस्से के साथ, वो प्रकृति के साथ लयबद्धता लिए हुए चल रही है, फिर रही है. और मैं हमेशा चाहती हूँ कि तुम्हारे आसपास रहूँ. मौका कम मिलता है, लेकिन इसलिए मैं बार बार पूछती हूँ कि मैं आऊँ क्या कलकत्ता, मैं आऊँ क्या कलकत्ता. एकदम तुम फैसिनेटिंग हो, यानी जैसे तुम्हें छोड़ने का मन ही नहीं करता है. बस तुम ही साथ में रहने चाहिए। मैं जब तुम्हारे साथ अभी तीरथ पे भी थी तो मैं बस यही मिस करती थी कि तुम साथ में होने चाहिए, तुम साथ में होने चाहिए। तो कभी कभी इरिटेशन भी लगता था कि यार रंजिनी मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं है, और इसीलिए मैं वो नाव से भी नहीं उतरी थी। और मैं सच में तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग इन माय लाइफ।
You have been such a sacred sister to me, and I want to use this opportunity of your birthday to thank you for your presence in my life, for the wonderful Akashic readings that you have done for me, that have led me to know a lot more about myself. You've helped me walk on a path along with sacred sisters, especially when we did the Joka retreat with our teacher Sukhi. There's such a deep connect and warmth that we shared, and I'm very grateful for your presence on this planet. Thank you, dear sister, and I love you very much. I wish you love, I wish you peace, and lots of harmony in your life. And may you live your soul purpose from your womb space. Love you wholeheartedly.
Happy birthday, Ranjini. Ranjini. You know, the word genie pops in my mind the first time I got to know you. You came at a time when there was a lot of darkness in my life, and you have been there so patiently, like a soul sister, a mother, a friend, just someone who would hold space for me. And when Som asked about to share something about when we met, I would say that, you know, we met long back before we met. You know what I mean. When we met in Calcutta, and I'm so glad we did, it didn't feel like I'm meeting you for the first time. You know, it was like a lot of past lifetimes where we've done this before, and it didn't feel like, you know, this is the first time. And I really hope that we meet again. But by soul, by heart, I'm totally, you know, in love and in bound with you. And on this special day of yours, 1 minute is too less, but I really wish the very, very, very best for you, Ranjini, and you know I'm always going to be there for you. Distance doesn't matter, and thank you for introducing Akashic to me. In many ways possible, it has helped me heal and show me new avenues, perhaps one of the calling for me as well, and totally indebted. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
Hey, it's your birthday. So I am so excited that I'm wishing you on your birthday, and
पिछले लॉकडाउन में जो सबसे अच्छा मेरे साथ हुआ वो ये कि तुम मिली।
the day I met Ranjini, I don't even remember actually, because I feel so connected to her, and I feel I know her for I don't know how many lifetimes, and
I enjoyed a lot with you.
So yeah, it's difficult for me to remember jab we met, but whenever we met, I think it was magical, and it has been magical since then. So thank you so much for all your love, all your support all the time, and even though you're in Kolkata and I'm here in Mumbai, I always feel that you know, you have my back.
यादें सजो के रखूंगी।
And it's so beautiful to share this connection with you. It's so beautiful to share this space, this, you know, this connection with you. So all I can wish for you is a beautiful life ahead, and in the meantime you have a great day, a great life, and wishing you all the very best. Lots of love and blessings, and love you.
Loads of love to you on your special day, Ranjini. Have a wonderful year. Happy birthday.
Hi June. A very, very, very big hug and lots of love from me on your birthday. And the reason that I have this big hat is to mark the start of the summer, June in Sweden, but it is also to say to you that you are really like summer for me. Just the way summer brings warmth, you bring warmth, to everybody's heart. Just like summer and the light brings clarity, with your words and your deeply felt, words, you also bring clarity.
आज मना पाते anyway. अगली बार हम लोग सब मिल के मस्ती करेंगे.
And every time I just see your face, it brings a smile to my face. Just as when you feel that first warmth after a long cold winter, you start to, feel that lovely feeling, and you feel like you're smiling all the time. That is what happens when I look at you. And I know that it's not only for me, you have that effect on so many of us.
और क्या करेंगे? पार्टी करेंगे.
So keep smiling, keep shining, keep bringing the summer to our lives, and a very, very, very happy birthday to you, June. Lots and lots and lots of love, many, many, many hugs, tons of kisses. Bye.
Hi Ranjini, happy birthday, wishing you a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. But just wanted to say what a wonderful friend you have been, and always been there in my time of need, and how much fun we've had just spending time with each other. And it's so strange that we've lived just across the street for so many years but did not even know each other. But then now that we do, it's like not even a week goes by where we do not at least message or speak to each other a few times a week.
রঞ্জিনী দি হ্যাপি বার্থডে, খুব 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 ভালো থেকো, তোমাদের সবাইকে অনেক মিস করছি। সবকিছু ঠিক হয়ে গেলে একদম তাড়াতাড়ি দেখা হবে। আজকে পার্টি দূর থেকেই হোক।
So thank you for everything. I'm so grateful to you for so much. You helped me through my healing process when I was so unwell, and you've helped me come out of that journey. You've always been there for me and my parents and so many other people, and just introduced me to so many things. So thank you so much, and I'm just so grateful to have you in my life. Happy birthday. And sending you lots of love, wishing you lots of happiness and all good things to come. Lots of love.
One of my earliest memories of Ranjini is the trip we made to Navdweep, and we are traveling in this vehicle from Kolkata to Navdweep, and behind me are sitting Ranjini and Urvashi chattering away to glory, and I'm struck with the patience of Ranjini, her calm and even tone throughout the conversation, and most of all, her commitment, Ranjini's commitment to her own spiritual growth, and also of the people whom she is in touch with. And in Navdweep, my memory of Ranjini is a person who is completely centered, and even amidst all this chaos, and also capable of having a lot of fun. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, Ranjini. My love to you.
So one day I called Amrita, and I called her, and someone picked the phone and telling that, "Kake chai?" I am hello, Amrita ache? Na, ne, didi shorir kharap. Tumi ke bolcho? Ami Fulia. Na Fulia? Ke Fulia? Ami ekhon ei barite thaki. I was thinking that Amrita never told me that she has kept a maid called Fulia. So after a few minutes, or I think after 1 minute, I thought that I called her. So again I called, and again someone picked the phone and telling me, "Ki holo? Kake chai?" তুমি কি ফুলিয়া? আমি ফুলিয়া। মারি এটা কি হচ্ছে? ওই আবার কেটে দিলাম। কিছুক্ষণ পরে অমৃতা আমাকে ফোন করে প্রচন্ড হাসছে, and she is telling me, "You know who is she?" And I said, "No, well she is June, and she is my Didi's daughter." And I'm okay, fine. So it was a hilarious moment for all of us. And when I met June, but June was very docile, sweet nature and all that. I was thinking that ওর এই নেচারটাও আছে। অ্যান্ড তারপরে আস্তে আস্তে জুনের সাথে আমি অনেক ক্লাস করি, আর জুন আমাকে অনেক ব্যাপারে হেল্প করে, অ্যান্ড আই এম থ্যাঙ্কফুল টু হার ফর দ্যাট। আর সেকেন্ডলি জুন আমাদেরকে আর একটা জিনিস কিন্তু খুব ভালো শিখিয়েছে, সেটা হচ্ছে মিঠুন চক্রবর্তীর গান মাস্টার জিনাইনের ডান্সটা। ওটা জুন যা ভালো করে না, আর একটা ডায়লগও শিখিয়েছে, বৈশাখ। সো Boishak June, that I love you a lot.
Today is Ranjini Akajune's birthday. Both the names convey different thoughts for me. Ranjini, the very name suggests a spooky moonlit night, the eerie sound of anklets emanating of a woman in veil and a medieval fort. All this conjure up a mysterious aura around the name and the person. On the contrary, the very name June sounds so romantic and free-flowing, as if rain dancers are dancing in the rain in twilight hours amid the flower bed in a far-off hamlet in Europe. Like the contrasts in her name to both the names, Ranjini straddles both the worlds at ease. At one moment, I feel she's a mystic yogini. Her words as an ascetic flow like a cascades of streams of the Narmada river in Amarkantak. On the very next moment, she giggles like a rain-drenched white anonymous bloom in June. I love both the persona of Ranjini and June, as these sum up her as a woman, sister, and the mystic. I love her as she is and wish her all the very best on her birthday.
Happy birthday to dear Ranjini. Many, many, many happy returns of the day.
मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स यू हो गए सारे जंगली यू हो गए सारे जंगली यू हो गए सारे जंगली हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज के जामा पकड़ के बैठे हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday, Ranjini. First time we met was during my Sacred Union in Bangalore, School of Ancient Wisdom. And since then, you've also been a very fascinating person for me. And I'm someone I've always wanted to be friends with, even before I met you for the first time. And now that so many years have passed and we are in each other's lives the way we are, it is just such a blessing. And I'm not very good at words to express my love, but অনেক ভালোবাসা অনেক আদর, may you find everything you are looking for in the deepest corners of your heart, and sending lots of love. Mwah.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah, ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Hayya ala salah, hayya ala salah, hayya ala al-falah, hayya ala al-falah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah.
रंजनी बेटा, सलमा सितारों से तुम्हारा आंचल भरा रहे, तुम्हारे सारे अरमान पूरे हों, खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, हमेशा मुस्कुराती रहो। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो बेटा, खुश रहो।
Hare Krishna to you, Hare Krishna to you. Happy birthday, dear June. Hare Krishna to you. Dear June, happy birthday. The first time I met you, we were sitting in the sitting room in Suki's house at the first, or maybe one of the first, gatherings of Joyous Women in Calcutta. And we introduced each other, and you gave me a little blue card with June on it, which I put inside my bead bag and kept it there for many years. I would carry it around with me. And I was very impressed with you because somehow or other I had heard that you were psychic. And so at a certain point, I said to you, "Oh, I think you have a message for me." And you leaned over and whispered in my ear, "You think you are not worthy." And I couldn't understand it, and I made you repeat it several times. I think probably I was expecting some message from the angelic realms, and this was different from what I was thinking I was going to get. But anyway, you were actually quite right, because considering it further, I really never thought I was good enough. So anyway, we're working on that along with all the Joyous Women sisters, and it's wonderful being in the circle with all of you, and especially you, such a special woman and somebody that I really do look up to and I really love a lot. So I just wanted to add something here. I really do love the name June, but I also really do love the name Ranjani. In the book that I'm writing, there's a scene where I'm actually having a conversation with Srimati Radharani, and present there is this most adorable little pet fawn that belongs to Radharani, and her name is Ranjani. So when I think of you, I always think of this dear little fawn and soft brown warm fur, and it's very endearing to me. So I wish you a very, very happy birthday, and that you have a wonderful day, and I'm sending lots and lots of love and many blessings from the banks of Ganga Ma here in Mayapur, and look forward to seeing you again soon once this pandemic calms down a bit and we can have a proper gathering. So in the meantime, again, have a wonderful day, and I love you and look forward to seeing you. Hare Krishna.
A very happy birthday from Austin.
Hi Ranjani, पहचाना? ओप सॉरी, पहचाना? अरे हम इस कप में चाय पिया करते थे, ये सेम कप खरीदा था हम दोनों ने। तुम्हारा टूट गया था, पर तुमने कहा था कोई नहीं हम इसमें शेयर करके पी लिया करेंगे। और मैं कहता था मैं किसी के झूठे कप में नहीं पीऊंगा, तो तुम इसमें पीती थी, मैं दूसरे लाल वाले कप में पीता था। हैप्पी बर्थडे। नहीं पहचाना? एक मिनट, अब पहचाना? राइट। तो और याद है हम जो कॉलेज के ट्रिप्स में जब जाते थे, देन यू वर लाइक कि मेरे को बुड्ढी कबाल खाना है, दैट सॉरी कैंडी फ्लॉस। तो मैं कहता था बुड्ढी कबाल मैं कहाँ से ला कर दूँ यहाँ पे, बट कहीं ना कहीं से अरेंज कर देता था। तुम कहती थी पिंक कलर का नहीं है, तो मैंने तुमको एक बार ऑरेंज कलर का ला के दिया था, तुमने कहा ठीक है यार मैं नान खटाई समझ के खा लूंगी। अरे आई एम दैट योर फ्रेंड यार। रिमेंबर एक बार वो एग्जाम्स थे, मैं इंग्लिश के एग्जाम में अनसीन पैसेज का फर्रा बना के लेके आया था। यू वर लाइक यहाँ पे पागल है, अनसीन पैसेज का फर्रा कौन बनाता है? याद आया? जिन्हें आप सोच रहे होगी कि मैं कौन हूँ, और ये बार बार क्यों कह रहे हैं कि आपने मुझे पहचाना नहीं पहचाना. एक्चुअली आप मुझे कैसे पहचानोगे क्योंकि हम तो पहले मिले ही नहीं हैं. मेरा नाम गिरीश.
Hi Ranjini, hope you recognize me in my lockdown look. What are you doing on your birthday? I'm sending you loads of love. Bye.
My dear June Rose, I wish you a very happy birthday. It is not only on this day we remember you. We remember you on other days too, when we need your support and guidance. Our family is very, very grateful to you for your emotional support which you extend to us with a smiling face. So God bless you and keep smiling.
Hello Ranjini ji. Recognize this face? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, June. Hope you have a fabulous day and a wonderful year ahead. Going by this theme of Jab We Met, I honestly don't remember when we met. Did we meet at Olipub? Or was it Lonavala that we had met for the first time? I think it was Lonavala that when we met first. Was it? Or was it before that? Let me know if you remember. But what I do know is that you're a fabulous, wonderful person. And I hope to see you soon on the other side of this pandemic. Have a fab time.
Hey Ranjini, Jundi, it's your birthday. I want to wish you a very happy birthday, and I'm right now in Dubai now. I hope you remember how we met. We were batchmates, if you remember, of the biggest batch, and we further met again in the Kumbh. It was a very good opportunity for me because if not for your camp, I would not have come for the Mahakumbh, and it was such a fantastic, spiritual and lovely experience. So thanks for that. Although we talked about a lot of plans, I hope you still remember the lazy women's workshop. I hope we really do that, Please, somebody do all the work for me, only sleep, only sleep. I'm still waiting for the prototype of that workshop. Hope the next year you have a very great time and stop worrying about others and still take care of only you and the soul. This is my wish. This I'm saying because the lights. Remember, oh poor girl, you're only with the lights. So I wish you have your cup of chai, sit down and love your trees and love yourself and have more time for yourself. This is my only wish. Bye. रंजनी बेटा, सलमा सितारों से तुम्हारा आंचल भरा रहे, तुम्हारे सारे अरमान पूरे हों, खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, हमेशा मुस्कुराती रहो, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो बेटा.
Hello June Bodhi, happy birthday from Tuhina, me, Oni and Balu.
Hi Ranjini, it is nice to know that your birthday is coming up on the 5th of June. Incidentally, Indrani's birthday is falling one day before on the 4th of June. Under normal circumstances, we could have had a big party together, but as it is under this pandemic, it is not possible now. So enjoy your birthday within the safe walls of your home and have a great bash. And may God give you a very long, happy and prosperous life. Enjoy your birthday, keep safe. God bless you again. Thank you.
Hey Ranjini, happy birthday to you. Didn't know that you were also called June. I realized that after Som told me, which is kind of a cool name. Not much of an interaction with you. We only met twice, and in that I realized that you have a positive vibe and you have a great smile and great hairs. So happy birthday to you, June. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Fun 40s. এই পাতাগুলো দেখ। clothesline. বৃষ্টিটা দেখতে পাচ্ছিস? দেশের হাওয়া আর বৃষ্টি তোর জন্য।
Happy birthday. Big hug all the way from Mumbai. I still remember that day when we first met. You guys had picked me up in the car from that, I think somewhere near that supermarket in Kolkata, and taken me to the club. And when you were in the front and I was seated in the back of the car, and we both got down and started hugging. And that doorman at the club was like, you know, what are these mad women doing getting out of the same car and hugging each other? So anyway, that's been such a precious memory, and I hope that we create more such crazy, precious memories in person very soon. And in the meanwhile, have a lovely, healthy, crazy, happy year ahead. Lots of love and another big hug.
Hi Ranjini, wish you a very very happy birthday. Although we never met, but I think I know you through Facebook, through Joyous Women, and most importantly through your very very expressive eyes. So here is something on your birthday for you, which means that your eyes are so expressive that somebody can live, somebody can die, somebody can feel intoxicated because of these eyes. So it goes like this. Amir halahal ras bhare shwet shyam ratnar jiyat marat jhuki jhuki parat jihi chitbat ek baar. Very very happy birthday to you.
Hi Ranjini, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the most sweetest person I've met. You know what is special about you, as far as I am concerned, is you know, whenever I've chatted with you, itne saalon mein jitna bhi we have spoken, you have a sense of calmness in you, you know. How to explain, एक ठहराव है, मतलब I feel at peace whenever I have spoken to you. You have a very sweet way of talking, and you make the other person feel very calm and composed. That's the best thing in you I've seen. Happy birthday once again, and always stay sweet as you are. কি হলো, আর কত বলবো? তুমি তো আমাকে 2500 টাকা দিলে কুট্টু। দেখো, এরপরে যদি টাং টুইস্টিং ওয়ার্ডস আমি যদি ইউজ করব তো 5000 টাকা লাগবে, বলে দিচ্ছি। না না, এমনি হবে না। তুই 5000 দিস আমাকে, তারপর আমি এক গাদা ওয়ার্ড ইউজ করবো, একদম টাং টুইস্টিং। Happy birthday. Have a great one. Enjoy yourself. Bye.
तो जून में
Exactly May, June.
जून में
It's May, June, July.
जून में जन्मी जून को हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, June.
तो कमिंग टू जब वी मेट इन नोएडा,
मुझे पता था तेरा स्क्रू ढीला है।
और मैं तो बचपन से ढीला था।
ढीला स्क्रू।
दोस्ती पक्की। हैप्पी बर्थडे जी।
Happy birthday, June.
I love you.